Today we're going to talk you through the significant employment changes that are proposed by the current government, the impact on your business, your people, your HR practices. We'll be running through the 8 must-know changes to the Employment Rights Bill.
Let's start with the changes to employee rights. There are a number of day one rights which are being implemented for employees and removal of the statutory qualifying period, things such as unfair dismissal, sick pay and maternity leave. The changes to 0-hour contracts are to basically take away any of the bias towards the employer, so making it fairer for the employee in that stage, so providing regular hours, if regular hours are worked, and more certainty around the work that they're doing. So the removal of the employer and worker distinctions is to basically create one set of rules for everybody in the workplace. So that's on things such as holiday pay, sick pay, maternity and paternity leave. There is a proposed statutory right to bereavement leave which is being introduced. Many businesses will already provide some form of bereavement leave.
There are also key legislation changes that you will need to comply with. Statutory sick pay, which is currently £116.75 per week, is to be paid from day one of absence, and there will also be the removal of the lower earnings limit, which is currently set at £123 per week on average. Flexible working will become the default from day one of employment for all employees. Now, currently, employers have the ability to use one of the 8 reasons for refusal, as long as they can meet the criteria for those, but this will be removed with the new legislation. From April 2025, the national living wage is due to increase to £12.21 per hour. 18 to 20-year-olds will also increase the national minimum wage from £8.60 to £10 per hour, with the aim to bring it more in line for one single adult rate. Employers' national insurance contribution rates will be increasing from 13.8% to 15% from April 2025. In addition to this, the rate on which they start their national insurance contributions will be reduced from £9,100 to £5,000 per employee. So what this will mean is there is a huge increase to employers on their employer national insurance rates.
So what does this mean for businesses? To hear more about how the changes will impact businesses and the steps that you should take to stay compliant, please watch our deep dive video.
For support with your HR, we're also offering free consultations, so please get in touch today.